What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy ENS, the Ethereum Name Service Token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that you can simply select one of the three options right on the top corner. I will select the buy and sell option to buy the coins, and after that this overview will be opened. So for the first option, you have a option to select the purchasing frequency. I would like to make a one-time purchase, but if you would like to buy them daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly, then you can select the option which suits for you. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat, the euros or dollars which you are using. I'm using 2 euros, and then you can select the asset. We would like to buy ENS, the Ethereum Name Service, and there it is. Click on it and now select the wallet you would like to use for the payment. I'm using my Euro wallet because I live in Europe, but if you would like to use a different currency or wallet, select it in this list. If you don't see any options, just add a payment method by clicking the button below, and it will be added to this list and it will be available to select. Now click on Review Order to see some more information about the purchase we are going to make, and as you can see, I'm buying 0.04 coins of this ENS coin. The purchasing price is €1.01, the Coinbase fee is 99 euro cents, and the total amount we are spending is the amount we have filled in the previous overview. They also give you an option to invest on a weekly base. You can cancel it at any time, but if you select it, this amount of 2 euros will be spent every week on this coin. Click on Buy Now to add the tokens directly to your Coinbase wallet, and hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support the channel, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.